So this is a sight that is a laser sight, and it says for 20mm rails. So let's go ahead and unbox this, show you guys what you get. You get a manual, they give you a battery, a cleaning cloth, another battery, adjusting tools. Oh, this is new. So we'll check that out. Another battery. Yeah, so... Oh, this is nice, guys. This is really nice. So that is unique. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I'll show you it up close, so do not worry. So if we go ahead and we pop off this cap here, you guys can see the lens right there. So you would mount it on your weapon like this. Well, you know what, let's just show you guys up close, that way you can see everything in more detail. Okay guys, so this is it. In here is where your blue battery is going to go for your electrode dot sight. So that's going to get placed down in there. Let's see, it looks like it's probably going to go, let's check this out here. I believe we place it down in like this. If it doesn't turn on, then we obviously know that we put it in wrong. And there's a good chance we might have. Nope, we got it in right. So there's actually two different options here. You have your push button right on the actual electrode sight, or the electrode dot. And you also have this other feature here. This, if you press it, so if you press this, a laser shoots out. And you need to press and hold it for a laser to shoot out. Over here is where you put your other battery. So you just twist this piece off, and this is where your flat battery is going to go for your sight dot. And that just drops right down inside there. Now, for turning this on and off, you see where it says G? That means it's going to be off. And if you would move this by twisting, now it's a little hard to do this with one hand, but if you twist this, that changes, and now it is on. A little hard for the camera to pick up the sight. There you go. Now you guys can see, so it is super clear in person. Really nice looking combination of laser and laser sight here. There's for mounting. You adjust right there on the screws. You have your adjustment for the sight right there. Over here you have different icons. So right now that was the crosshair. If we take this over, so if we move that over, we now have it under a crosshair, a different setting. So if the camera will pick up, it will show you. There you go. Oh, we had it for a second. So we have it turned on maximum brightness as well. All right, so here's another setting as well. So you got a circle with a dot, and you just twist, you just turn this to select your selection. Now the last would be just a regular dot. And of course you can change the color from green to red by simply turning this up top here. And to turn it off, just turn it to the G, and that will turn it off. Alright guys, so now if you use this instead of this one, so this one you have to press and hold for the light to stay on. So that's good if you want to be able to press and hold it. This one, if you press it, it stays on. So you guys can see the laser's very far. You can see it from extremely far away, even in the bright lights, you know, complete daylight, you can easily see this. So no problem whatsoever. So guys, overall, a nice sight laser combination.